In this American English pronunciation video, we're going to learn how to make the two TH sounds. These sounds are paired together because they take the same mouth position. Th is unvoiced, meaning only air passes through the mouth, and th is voiced, meaning you make a sound with the vocal cords. Th. The very tip of the tongue comes through the teeth. The air passes around the tongue. The tongue is relaxed. There shouldn't be any pressure in the mouth or a stop quality to this sound. Just nice and easy. The tongue has to easily vibrate between the teeth, so keep the tongue soft and relaxed. The lips don't affect this sound, so they can be transitioning to the next sound. For example, in the THR cluster, the lips will round a little bit for the R as you make the TH. Three. Be careful with the tongue tip. Make sure it doesn't come too far forward. It's just the very tip that should come between the teeth. To make the unvoiced TH, the tongue tip absolutely has to come through the teeth. But the voiced TH can be different. When it's in an unstressed, quick word like these or the tongue tip doesn't have to come through the teeth. It can press behind the teeth. Make sure the tongue isn't at the roof of the mouth or pointing down, but pressing right in the middle, where the teeth come together. If it's not in the right position, the sound will be wrong. These. This tongue shortcut works in these words because they're unstressed. So when you don't bring your tongue tip through the teeth, it allows you to make these less important words quickly. These. Let's look at these sounds up close and in slow motion. Notice how it's just the very tip that comes out of the teeth. The tongue is relaxed. The teeth surround it, but they're not clamping down on it. The lips and face are relaxed. Throw. Notice how the lips are starting to flare for the R as the tongue comes through the teeth for the unvoiced TH. Birthday. Keep in mind when you only stick the very tip of your tongue out, the movement into other sounds isn't as hard as you might think. Watch the tongue tip come in and flip up for the D. This is a quick move of the tongue that you can practice over and over to make it more natural. Brother. Tongue tip through the teeth for the voiced TH. Lips and tongue are relaxed. Worth. Ending in the unvoiced TH. Again, the lips and tongue look very relaxed. Remember to keep your tongue relaxed and soft when you practice this sound. The voiced and unvoiced TH. Throw. Birthday. Brother. Worth. Example words. Repeat with me. Other. Other. Either. Either. Though. Though. Thursday. Thursday. Nothing. nothing. South, south.
Father, mother, sister, brother, hand in hand with one another. 3 thin thieves thought 1,000 thoughts. Now if 3 thin thieves thought 1,000 thoughts, how many thoughts did each thief think? 3 thin thieves thought 1,000 thoughts. Now if 3 thin thieves thought 1,000 thoughts, how many thoughts did each thief think? The 33 thankful thieves thought that they thanked the other 33 thankful thieves throughout Thursday. The 33 thankful thieves thought that they thanked the other 33 thankful thieves throughout Thursday. They threw 3 thick things. They threw 3 thick things. 30,000 thoughtless boys thought they would make a thundering noise, so the 30,000 thumbs thumped on the 30,000 drums. 30,000 thoughtless boys thought they would make a thundering noise, so the 30,000 thumbs thumped on the 30,000 drums. Room 333 on the 3rd floor rents for $33.33 every 3rd Thursday. Room 333 on the 3rd floor rents for $33.33 every 3rd Thursday. I can think of 6 thin things, but I can think of 6 thick things too. I can think of 6 thin things, but I can think of 6 thick things too. 3 free throws, 3 free throws, 3 free throws. Not these things here, but those things there. Not these things here, but those things there.